All right, here's my 2009 Land Rover Range Rover L322 with 4.2 V8 supercharged. I barely drive it. So you can see I love gadgets, which I have this here, but I don't have a camera, a dash cam. And I'm gonna show you what my other car has. I got a Honda Pilot that has plenty of a camera. I'm gonna show you what they have. So here's my Honda Pilot, and this is the daily one. So you can see it's a mess, but that's not what I meant. I have this big LCD screen for my radio. I do have a dash cam here separately, and this one, the mirror, is a dash cam too. This one, and there's a rear view camera. And I want to add that to my Range Rover, and I do have this thing here, and we'll see how good it is. Alright, let's get Alright, so this one we have a streaming media rear view mirror DVR. Okay, it has a plastic seal here. I just remove it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Slide it out here. Okay, open. All right, you got a manual here. Let's go open this up. What it said, they have a little plastic seal here. Welcome to use this driving recorder. All right, let's put it in the side. What else comes with it? Let's open this up. So from here, this one looks like the cable for the rear view camera. Good. Oh, look at that, it has a GPS. That's pretty neat. The one I have didn't have a GPS on my Honda Pilot. So this is the power cable from cigarette lighter. C port, using a C port. And this is the rear view camera. And lens cleaner. This is for the camera to mount. And this one to mount on your rear view mirror. And you have this little scraper, I don't know what you call that one. From here you have the camera here, rear view camera. The bottom, I think this is on and off. And from the top, oh, you have an SD card already? 64 gigabyte, that's nice. Thank you, look at that. It comes with a 64 gigabyte. That's pretty impressive. This is the GPS port. AV, okay. Type C, that's the power out, power button. So how you install it, I know I might use this one, the big one. There's a small and longer to strap this in the back. We're gonna try to put it on the car, but to put it on, you have to have this like that and strap on the back of the car, the rear view mirror. Before we install that, let's go check the manual real quick. Got all the information here. The front camera has a 4K sensor, ultra quality video, GPS antenna, touchscreen. Resolution on this is 1920 by 480. Okay, so 2K. It's about 2K quality. And then, well, that's more important, the brightness adjustment. This is the menu buttons right here. See that? This will tell you how to use it. This one, the loop recording, if you need to, that's what you need to. Resolution says 5K single DVR and 4K for double DVR. Okay, so 5K. All right, set the clock and everything. So the memory card will take up to 256 gigabyte. That's great. That's awesome. Okay, so the front camera is 5K. Dual camera is 4K. There you go. That's the lens right here. It's a 5K quality. So this is what comes with it. If you're missing one, it should be here. GPS antenna and everything. And all right, let's go ahead put it into the car, see what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead, go inside the car and install this real quick. All right, first thing we're gonna do is grab the screen, and we'll see if it fits there. This is our screen. It looks like they go this way. So I have one of the rubber clamp here to get that around. See, and then we get the other one out as well. We'll see if I can get it installed. I'm gonna go to the other side. I think I can reach it better from the driver's side. So I'm gonna have this. Looks like this camera is gonna be leaning on this side, so I just put to the farthest one here. From this one, I'll try to put it there, and the other one just have to hook it here all the way around up here. If I can reach it, let's see. As you can see from the top here, should be able to reach it to hook this rubber attachment. Let's see. Bracket. It's pretty stretchable. See that? So that's what it looked like. Let me see if we can show you on this side. See that? You can't put much because we have this camera here. I'm just gonna realign it. See that? And then same thing with the other side. It's kind of sticking on one side, but we'll see about it. Next thing, I'm gonna go ahead get this power cable. Try to open it. Okay, this is the cigarette lighter one. Let's go open this up. So I got this lock. I think it's on the top side. It's just okay. There you go. I'm not gonna plug in this wires here. I'm just gonna test it for now. I'm gonna find my cigarette lighter port. There you go. Have one here. And let's go ahead and just turn on the car. If it turn on, okay, power green. Let's check this out. Okay, I have the camera on, but I'm gonna move this one here. It's the okay, it's blue because I still have the little plastic protector here. I'm gonna remove it real quick, just for the lens so it won't get scratched. Okay, that's removed. That's removed. Let's see the quality. Okay, that's a little glare from my reflection to the car. I'm gonna remove these real quick. Okay, not too bad. The camera is right here, so if I adjust it up and down, you see it moves up and down too. So you're gonna position it where you want it. At the same time, I think you can move it up and down as well. See that? You can move it up and down, and the camera here can be adjusted too. So move it down, I can move it up. That's perfect there. That's recording already. See that? It's getting recorded. Let me remove this. Oh yeah. And with the camera, I haven't hooked the camera yet, but that's very clear. It's recording right now. No rear camera detected, so let's go try to install the rear camera, what it look like. For the rear camera, and then swipe another one. That's the front camera. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. This is pretty long enough to allow all the way to the back. That's really good. So I like that one. Alright, so this is the GPS. If you connect here, look at the bottom left. Nice. And you'll see your speed here. Not sure if you'll see if I move this one, but you'll see your speed on the GPS so you know how fast you're going. This is really neat, guys. I'll definitely get this one for another car I have. Turn this off, on. Awesome, guys. So this is a Martok dash cam rear view mirror. Pretty good, guys.